Tive has done something for me that I've been asking for the industry a long time now. I can now see not only my cargo in transit, but I can also see when it deviates from its intended locations. I can also see when someone tampers with my product or attempts to tamper with my product. I got a call from one of my coordinators that there was a light alert on one of our tractors. And I contacted the driver myself and I asked him, why do I have a light alert trigger on my tracker? I wanted to find out what was going on. He told me that my technology is flawed, that it's giving me false positives. He didn't open the trailer. He's traveling east of Will's Point when in fact Todd was pinging him west of Will's Point. I told the broker that the store is being actively hijacked. I turned around and I started heading northwest. I continued following the driver. I was coordinating with various different law enforcement entities until I reached Wichita Falls PD. The driver ended up at a truck stop and the PD was waiting there for him. So they detained him there. I spoke with the police officers and I pulled out my computer and then I showed them the Tive telemetry information. I showed them the route deviations. I showed them the tempering of the lock. Without Tive, we wouldn't have been able to locate this, see this, get any kind of visibility.